well, my name's Seamus Haughey. Do a bit of metal work. Yeah, do a bit of wrought iron stuff. That's it basically, you know what I mean? Yeah. Well, I'm here roughly 50 years, roughly. I've just come in here, my father was here, that's all. I'd have to go on it, that's it. My grandfather was here over 100 years ago. Yeah, my father took over then when uncle passed away. My dad took over then. We're back in the 40s, roughly. Yeah. So my dad he took over, and he had the horses. I've done the horses for years, but then around about the 60s, horses went down. So I told him about the Grey Badger. Grey Badger took over. That's the tractor took over, and horses were out, and work went down then. Work got very bad from Papa, so he started metal work, and he's the first welder in Lurgan. It's sitting over there, sitting there, way back in the 40s. So I mind, he said, when he's welding there, it caused a lot of trouble. He says, sometimes night time the light got fried in, because the welder affected them. Yeah. And then, and I started after that. I just started metal work after that, yeah, ever since. Yeah, I'm here about for 50 years roughly. Yeah. And just keep on going, that's it. It's more metal work now. It's mostly metal work now. I say small gates mostly. I do a lot of repair work. That'll well. People bring things in for get repair work, you know what I mean? It's surprising what different people for putting brake. But anyway, I look after them. I do a bit of wrought iron there. They're kind of in chairs there. You know what I mean? That's mostly it, really. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'll use that for wrought iron work, for the gates. You have to hate the iron to bend it, you see. You know what I mean? And that's the old style. Nowadays, more modern than these gas more like that. But we're still in the old style. That's what I mean now. I live on my own now, you see, so I'm not too bad. Family's all grown up, so no pressure on me now. So I can charge what I like. There's no point worrying about it, no. Years ago, you had it tight. Yeah, places had to sit down. It's got nowhere, really. Got nowhere. Well, that's it, like, we're still here hanging in, and that's it. So, I carry on. I'm not that too. That's the thought about it.